Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Divan Osasuko. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to smoothen the skin as a beginner in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So at first, what I'm going to do right here is to duplicate this background layer into two places. To do that, I'm going to drag it down here like this, or let me just undo it, or I just click on my Command J on the keyboard to duplicate it into two places. Whichever works for you, it's fine. So after that, I'm going to name this first layer 1, then the second one 2, so that while I'm explaining you will get it really well. So I'll close the visibility of this first layer right here, then I'll now select this layer 2, then I'll head to my filter and I'm going to head to blur, then make sure it's Gaussian blur. So after clicking on the Gaussian blur, you take this right to 0.1, then you come to any part of the face, you click on it so it can appear here. So you now adjust this till when you can't find the texture again. So I'll just keep on doing it. So and this is fine. I can't see the texture again, so let me just add it to 4. Okay, so I can't see any texture here. I'll just click OK. So after that, I'll come back to this first layer and I'll open the visibility of it, then I'll head to my image, then I'll click on the apply image. So after clicking on the apply image, this is what's going to show next. So come to this layer, change this layer to 2, which is this layer 2, then leave the channel at RGB, then make sure you don't check this invert, then you come to this blending mode, you now change it to subtract. So after changing it to subtract, make sure the opacity is at 100, the scale make sure it's at 2, then the offset to at 128. So once this is checked, all of this, you now click on OK. So after doing that, this is actually how the image will be. So you come right here to this blending mode, you now change it to linear light. So once you change it to linear light, you come and select the 2 layer right here and drag it down here to group it. So I'll just name this FS, which is the frequency separation. So the layer 1 is actually for the skin texture. Let me zoom this image closer. So the layer 1 is for the skin texture, while the layer 2 is for the skin color. So once all of this is being done, you are good to start retouching your image. So I'll just come and click on the layer 2 and I'll select my mixer brush. Make sure the brush is on a clean brush and the weight should be at 30, then the load at 30, then the mix to at 30, flow at 30. So once this is done, you are good to start retouching. So I'm just going to start retouching this image. So I'll just start brushing like this. So make sure while brushing you try blending the highlights and the shadows. Don't try getting rid of any of it, so just blend the highlights and the shadows. So this is actually what I'm doing. So while brushing, make sure you select the layer 2, which is for the skin color, so not the first layer. So if I want to take out blemishes, I'm going to use the layer 1 to do that, which I'm going to get to that. But let me just brush first. Just brush it. So just make sure you blend the highlight. Don't try getting rid of the highlight or the shadows. Just blend it too. I'll just do it like this. I'll just blend it. So you can see the way I'm taking my time to retouch. So this process is always really critical, so you need to pay close attention while retouching. So after I'm done brushing, I just want to pick some blemishes here. So I'll come to this layer 1, and what I do like using to pick off blemishes is the chrome stamp. So I'll just come here, I'll select the chrome stamp. I make sure the opacity is at 998, so I don't want the full effect of it. I just reduce the brush, then pick on in an area which is clean, like there is no blemishes, and make sure the brush is bigger than the blemishes you want to pick. So I'll just pick on the area by clicking my option key on the keyboard, then I'll replace it. So that's actually how it's been done. So I'll pick on a part that there is no blemishes, then I'll replace it with the part that there is blemishes on it. So I'm just going to do that. I just continue the same process. So that's a way to take off blemishes on the skin of the image. So I'm just going to remove this. I just get rid of it. You can see the model's face, there is no much blemishes on it. So the few ones that are there, I'll just pick them by repeating that same process. So I'll just pick this. I'll just pick this also. So I'll just come here and I'll pick it as well. So the few ones that are here, so you can remember how I said you just click on the option, or if you're using a Windows, you click on the alt button, pick on the part that there is no blemishes, and then replace it with the part that there is blemishes. So I'll just pick this and I'll do it right here. So I just want this image to look clean, so that's why I'm taking off this. And there is actually what I'm going to tell you guys that's really important at the end of this retouching, so make sure you just stick around. So I'll just pick it, I'll just do that right here as well. So I'll come right here and I'll pick it off. Then after that, I'll zoom it out again, so you can now see this is the before and this is the after. So I will now select this layer 2, then I'll come back to the mixer brush again, then I'll just, so what I wanted to say earlier is that anytime you pick off any blemishes on the skin of the image, make sure you brush the parts that you pick the blemishes again, just to make it smoother. So that's what I'm going to do right here. So I'll just brush it and I'll just correct what I did right earlier. So I'll just come back to this snake area as well and I'll brush it again. So let me show you guys a quick, this is the before and this is the after of it. So you can see this part is now looking kind of rough. So I'll now pick on the chrome stamp again, then I'll repeat the same process, then I'll just clean it a bit off. So I'll just do that here and I'll do it here as well. So once I'm done, make sure you pick on, I'll now select the layer 2, then pick on the mixer brush, then I'll brush the area again. I'll just brush it off so you guys can see the before and after. So I'll come right back to this, I'll come to this hand area, so it's kind of showing small, but I'll just brush it just to make it look smooth. And you can't brush the face and leave the hand to look, so I just want everything to be in uniform. So I'll just do that right here. a little bit is okay. So this side is not really showing, so I'll just brush and make it look smoother. So I'll just come back to the face and show you guys the before and after. So this is actually the simplest mode or simplest way on how to retouch your image as a beginner. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial video. But for now, I hope to see you in the next video.